You are going to love the 2015 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, mud guards, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.